Minutes before 1 a.m., stealth security professionals monitoring a construction client's job site spotted an individual dressed in all black with a hood up, obstructing their face from view, trespassing on the property. On site, audible warnings were activated and local police contacted due to the nature of the activity observed. Officers responded to the site within minutes and were observed on camera, safely locating and taking the suspect into custody without further incident.